2023 Toyota Prius. I'm going to show you how to do a maintenance light reset. We're going to be using these arrows right here, the OK button, and maybe the return button. Okay, let's start by pushing the return button, which is the button with the curved arrow in the left corner. When you push that, this menu will pop up, and then we're going to push the right arrow next to the OK button and go all the way over to the last option. Now, it's not the last one, but it's the one before it, called Vehicle Settings. We're going to hold OK, push the OK button and hold. Then we're going to go down to Scheduled Maintenance, push OK to reset. It says Reset Data, push the up arrow, push OK. Scheduled Maintenance reset complete.